Welcome back to Genseal's channel. Welcome back to my 30 days challenge. I'm here in this video. You see this video. You know, a lot of my subscribers, Jenny, we need Turkey wear suppliers. We need Turkey wears factory. And guess what, guys? I've got you guys covered. So in this video, I'll be giving you contacts. And the beautiful thing about these suppliers is that they are on WhatsApp. And do you know that Turkey importation is different from China, from others? Because you're talking about China, they have shopping apps and shopping websites. But you see for Turkey, you just need legit suppliers contact. That is why in this video I'll contact. Now welcome back to my channel. Here in this channel I talk about how to make legit money online, importation and everything business. So if you are yet to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, because I'm running my 30 days challenge. Go ahead and watch other videos that I have posted. Yes, now I'll talk about Turkey importation. There are so many things you need to know about it. That's why you need to watch this video to the very end. So when we talk about Turkey importation, it's different from China importation. You have apps where you can go and chat and all that. Well, actually in this Turkey importation, I will be giving us as contact. Now all you just need to do, each suppliers have their major angles. They have there's a supplier now that what he or she, that supplier focus on, his focus on is just luxury adult wears and luxury bags. And when you talk about luxury, then think of Turkey. And one thing about Turkey importation, you pay them using what they call dollars. Yes, you cannot pay them using yuan, you pay them using dollar. And you just need to, if you have a dollar card, you can pay with a dollar card, dollar accounts. If you don't have a dollar account, you can also open, we have so many apps right now that accept dollar, that you can open your dollar cards account and have a dollar virtual cards, and you can also pay them with them like cheaper cash and the rest. All right, but if you don't also have a dollar account, not to worry, you also be using an exchanger so that can pay and change your currency to dollar. All right, so now let's dive in. So once you get the suppliers contacts, what do? You just need to save them. Once you save them, the next thing you do is to chat them up politely, chat them up professionally. Hello, I am China's CEO. I was referred by a friend or a customer or an importer colleague of mine, and I'm interested in your wares. They said you sell luxury. I'm interested in your wares. Or go to ChatGPT, write out what you want to tell the supplier, and ChatGPT will give you the formal and beautiful format which you can use to give to your supplier, and he will be wild. Then some of them owns WhatsApp group. Once you chat them up and always let them know that you are interested. You also want to join their WhatsApp group. They add you to their WhatsApp group, and it's very, very important to be reviewing what they are posting there. And please note, in Turkey you don't buy one. They have, if you are talking about the wares, they have what we call bundle. It's just like the way Vietnam also runs. Vietnam, you can't buy one. You have what they call bundle. Yes, and the bundle consists of sizes. All right, bundle, like if you're talking about Vietnam wears for kids, bundles, there are bundles now. Let me, for example, 1 to 10 years, you have 1 year, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in a bundle. So that is how it's being run. It's not like China where you can just go and buy one from the app. So, but they are luxury. When you talk about luxury, then give that cap to Turkey. Now another thing, now let's go to the bag section. When we talk about bags, sometimes they post 3-in-1 bags, 2-in-1 bags. Just note, you cannot buy one from the 3-in-1 bags posted. If you're buying the bags posted, you need to buy 3 as a go, 3 at once. All right, or else if the bag posted is just one. So all these are the things you should note. Again, the suppliers can also send your items to your country. Yes, you can tell the supplier, I don't have a means of sending, can you send? But there's one disadvantage of that. When you tell the supplier to send to your country, yes, they will send, but they might use a very high shipping company like DHL and the rest, which when it comes, the shipping fee will be so high. So I won't advise you to tell them that. I will advise you to also use a shipping company. I'd tell them to give you a shipping company, and if you also want a shipping company, maybe you don't have one, drop on the comment section, all right, or you chat me up. So that's just it. Now you just need to be viewing their WhatsApp status and ask them for their catalogs and also join their group. That is very important. Another way you can get suppliers contact of Turkey is through Instagram. Through Instagram. That's the same way you can also get suppliers contact of Bangladesh through Instagram. Just go on Instagram and type Turkey luxury wares suppliers. You will see a lot, but note, please don't pay to them direct. Make sure you pay with an agent in order to avoid being scammed. Or you use the suppliers I have dropped, which are legit, 100% legit. All right. So then once they are done with everything and you select what you want, everything you want, the next thing they do, they will give you the price, then you convert with your dollar rate. And again, in case you don't have money to buy this and you want to start doing pre-order, you can do that. You just go ahead, collect all their videos, their pictures, ask them their prices. If it's on the group, they put the prices on it. Then you exchange it with the dollar rates at that time. When you exchange it, add your profit and you post. Then you can just start, creating what they call a series. I also run a pre-order group where we'll do that. So in case you're interested and you cannot buy the whole set or something, you can just go to the description icon on the you will see a link. Join my WhatsApp group and we'll start our Turkey we'll start our Turkey sales very soon. So you just be just join fellow importers, we pay, and you get yours as easy as ABC. So you're super amazing. So that is just that. Then the next thing, you send your shipping company, they'll send to your shipping company and it arrives. Turkey also runs 2 types of shipping: air shipping and sea shipping. So that is majorly all how to do that. Now these are the suppliers contact on my screen, so do well to chat them up politely, professionally, and you can also view their status and join their groups and you're good to go. All right, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.